Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 18th of July, and we're going to be looking at Bitcoin right now and seeing what's going on. It's just all over the news since this morning. It pumped 10%. It's been holding pretty much ever since. You can see here along the sort of 236 Fibonacci support now. It's kind of whipsawing a little bit. But yeah, it's got everybody excited. Everyone wants to know, is this now the new bullish phase? Are we going to see 10K anytime soon? What are the resistances going forward? So hoping to sort of answer a few of those questions. In the news, John McAfee, he seems to think that it's the bull market is coming. Tom Lee from Fundstrat on CNBC's Fast Money program says that it's BT is looking pretty bullish right now and that everyone should be excited. A lot of polls and things over on Twitter, forums like Reddit are all saying that Bitcoin is now entering this new bullish phase. So let's have a look at it more closely. Just quickly recap the TA we did for BTC early in the week, and then just looking forward, draw up some new ideas here. So we can see that in the early TA, I kind of predicted this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Initially, I thought the right shoulder would form along this 618 support and bounce off, but in the end, it actually traveled all the way back down to this lower sort of downtrending support of this sort of falling wedge shape, and then launched back up, broke the neckline at 0.5 here, and then pushed all the way up to the 0.236 where we are now. So it's looking pretty good there. It's actually starting to correct a little bit. As you can see, red candles are starting to appear as some sort of pullback is happening. But what I want to look at is this one here. So if we just bring this one up. So we've actually got this sort of downtrending pattern here, this yellow line, this yellow triangle here. And we've also got this 0. Fibonacci resistance at the top here. And this is a critical level at $7,900. I think this is the next, this is the top target for this bull run right now, where I'm thinking BTC is going to be heading. We've got this softer resistance here, which would give us this kind of cup shape. Once BTC does retrace back to this level, and dragging it across, where is it? $7,730. I think this is our first resistance level here, as it retraces back to here. And then from here, we've got this sort of sloping resistance. It ties off well with the 0. Fibonacci level as well. So I think this is going to be a key area of resistance here. I think we might expect to pull back to this support, perhaps even lower to the 236 mark. It really depends on market sentiment. If hype and everything that's going on with Bitcoin right now can continue, we can then see it push on. If we pull back a little bit, I think the real top end from here, after we break through this sort of 8,000 psychological barrier, we've then got that $8,950 target above. And that's going to be tested as people get close to that $9,000 mark. That's when people start to get nervous. Is it really going to be able to break above 9,000? And if 9,000, 10,000? Or will it just draw all the way back again and we see this another bearish episode? Because once it breaks free from this pattern, nobody's really sure where it's going to go. A lot of people are bullish for it, but the market can change so quickly, like it has done today. So I think initially we've got to look at the $7,730 target is our first point of call. If it can break through that, it's got a stronger resistance above here at $7,900, and then there's big no man's land really between here. I suppose you've got this smaller soft resistance at $8,500, perhaps even one further up at $8,800. But I think this $8,950 will be the real test going forwards. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Check out CryptoVest.com for more information and all the latest updates. Have a good one. Thanks.